out baling. Right now I'm going out to bale my 13 acres. You can see the sunflowers right there. That's the oats. Man, is it weedy. They're almost ready to harvest. Those weeds are going to make it tough. Got the bale monitor turned down. We're going to be making 60% bales. I don't think that's actually a percentage. The size bale is going to be 6. It only goes up to 760. It only goes up to 74. Whatever it means. That's the right size to fit on our trailer and for the 560 to move around and everything. So that's what we're going to be making. I just got to check this hay and make sure it's dry enough. I didn't come out here yet this morning. I think it will be, but the tractor was on the way to the field, so I just grabbed the tractor to come out here. Not a lot of hay there, but it's the first cutting off of a brand new hay field, so there normally isn't. Alright, I'll talk to you guys if anything fun happens. Alright, so that pissed on my day baling. The cylinder blew out on the opposite side of the one before. Should have just got them both rebuilt when we got the one rebuilt, but now I'm going to pull this one off and run it over to the machine shop and hope they can get it back before it rains. Alright, so got that cylinder out. I already took it in. They fixed it in less than 24 hours, so that's great. I mean, it rained, but it wasn't supposed to. And then it rained again. Still wasn't supposed to. So we're not going to get the hay baled, but I might as well get the baler back together. Getting it out, though, I broke my wrench. This bottom bolt here, 11/16. It was very tight, so I had to go get a socket. Now the bolt's stuck in there, but we'll get it back on and then figure out how to get the socket off later. I got a camera there. I'm gonna do like a quick little time lapse of me throwing the cylinder back in there. Literally just as simple as this goes in here, 1/2 inch bolt holds it there, 11/16 there, put the hydraulic lines back on, bleed it, get in the tractor, put pressure to it, come out, crack a line, bleed it out, and then you're good to go again. So talk to you after I get that done. Okay, so watch that gauge right there. If it'll refocus. It's almost like the window's dirty or something. Well, it's gonna go up. I hope. Yep, there it goes. Alright. So, it's up. Now we just come over here, and at least this is how I did it last time. There might be a better way, but I don't know it. And look at all that. Hear the air just pissing out of there. All that air compresses, and the first time I didn't bleed it right when I went back out baling. All that air compressed in there, and it was making terrible bales. I couldn't figure out why. I kind of thought after I'd open it up and shut it a few times, it would open the baler up and shut it a few times and pressurize it. It would kind of just self bleed. But oh, that was way better. I seen the belt move that time, so we'll bleed it again. Got pressure in it. I'm not building a ridiculous amount of pressure because I don't want to get soaked really. Crack it again. No air came out that time. Get that tight. Not much pressure, but we'll crack this bottom one just to make sure. Yep. Nothing but fluid, no air. Get that tight. So now we should be ready to bale. We got it bled. I'll probably refill the tractor with hydraulic fluid. We got rain, so we can't bale. We got to turn the hay over again and let it dry, but whenever we do get ready, we should be good. We got a new hydraulic cylinder. This same cylinder on both sides is replaced. So we should be good with tensioning the baler for a long time. Yep. You guys missed the fun. I didn't have the time lapse going when I broke that wrench. Stuff went flying everywhere. Busted every knuckle in my arm, and it was a good time. You guys missed it. So I probably have enough footage here for a video between the time lapse and me trying to start baling and going, nope, broke the baler. So I'll probably throw another video out. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Very, very close to 1,000 subscribers. By the time this one gets uploaded, I might even be there. If you're not subscribed, go subscribe. Gonna be doing a giveaway real soon. Hope you guys enjoyed. As always, have a good one.